Hey guys, today is the day that I finally reupholstered bed. Yay! Okay, so I have been putting this off for a while now because I just have been a little bit nervous, to be honest, but I just woke up and felt like today was the day to do it, so I'm gonna follow that urge. I look a little snazzy because I was doing a Ipsy sponsored content, so that's this whole lipstick situation. Okay, so maybe I should give some backstory. So I've been wanting to reupholster this bed because I don't really like the gray, and I'll put up a mood board inspo photo of what the vibes I want for this room are. Yeah, this bed just ain't it. So I bought some upholstery fabric, this nice light linen color, and I found this tutorial on how to do it from this blog, A Beautiful Mess. I'll link the tutorial down below, so I'm just gonna be following that and hopefully everything goes okay. I have a feeling I'm gonna need to put on some yoga pants because jeans are not the best to do crafts in, I feel like, or reupholstery projects, because I'm gonna need to like bend over and be flexible and stuff. Yeah, I'm nervous. So that's the project today. Let's hope I can do it all in one day. Let's hope I don't fuck it up. Let's hope a lot of things. Just pray for me at this time. So the tutorial is just like to straight up cover the existing bed frame, but I would like, if there's any extra fabric, which there should be, I would like to have the bottom of the bed frame be more of like a bed skirt. So if there's extra fabric, if there's extra fabric, I'd like to make it so it goes all the way down to the ground like a bed skirt. I'll put in that photo. It's the same inspo photo. I just really like those kind of beds. I think they're so chic, but if I can't do that, I'll just buy a bed skirt of some sort. But the ones that I like are so freaking expensive, so I'm trying to save money here. That's the whole point of this DIY. Okay, so first off, I have to disassemble the bed, get out the fabric, get the staple gun, get the box cutter, get some scissors. DIY to the rescue. Okay, let's reupholster a bed. DIY. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on the gram at Elise. Okay, give me a thumbs up now because I just need some help and support. I'm literally quivering in my boots at the moment. This is me quivering. Okay. Ugh. First step is yoga pants. Okay, that transition probably wasn't clean, but I just put on these comfy Lulu workout pants I got at the thrift store a long time ago. Much better for a project such as this. Okay, first step is to take off the mattress and stuff. Here's the fabric. It's just a nice white linen. I just realized I should take off my red lipstick. Okay, red lipstick is off. I need to get some tools to take this guy apart. So here is our spread of tools for this project. Staple gun, and then these things hopefully will get the bed apart. I wasn't there when they put it together this time, so that should be interesting. Extra staples, box cutter, measuring tape, pen in case I need to mark it, 2 pairs of scissors in case one's not sharp enough, and then I'm hoping to find a safety pin in here, but I might just use like regular pins if I don't have it. So I'm not like the most prepared for this, but at the same time, I'll show you our current bed is like really beat up because of blue, so I don't think I can make it any worse. I think I can only make it better. That's just my hopes anyway. Time to take it apart. Many minutes later, I unscrewed everything. These won't come out. So I'm wondering if I can just do it around it, like just staple it to here, because I can't get them out. But yeah, everything else is good. So now is the exciting part and the part that I'm nervous about. So I guess I should just lay out the fabric first. Literally, you just send it. Do the headboard first, lay the headboard on top of the fabric, and I'm doing the no-sew option because I don't have thread and I don't want to sew. Box cutter is literally the shit. I love it so much. Okay. So like in theory it's not that hard. Let's see what she says here. Okay, so this might get a little bit not professional because I'm just trying to see what's gonna look the best. And in her demonstration, her corners of the corners of the headboard are square and this one's round. So I think I need to like kind of lay it over a little bit, like this, make some like pleats, perhaps. Literally just while in here. And the thing is, I'm not that worried that it has to look like really perfect. I think I already said that, but like as long, I'm not that worried. I'm not that worried, right? Okay, that looks pretty good. A lot of fabric in the back, but it makes it lay down like cleanly if I make pleats. I haven't even tried the staple gun yet. Oh gosh, maybe I'll just give her a test. She works. So I'll show you what I got going on up close. So in the back it looks kind of crazy, but as you can see, like in the front it looks fine. Like I don't mind if there's a few little pleats or crinkles on the top. This one I might have to work on a little bit more, but I just was trying to see. And yeah, I have this laid out like this. And I just need to make sure I leave some room on the bottom for where the hardware goes down here. And on the front too. I might just send it. I don't know. I'm scared, but. Okay, that was super not professional how I just did that, but I had to like re-drill in where this hardware goes in the bottom, and yeah, I had like a little bit more fabric than I probably should have over it, like multiple layers, so I just like went in and out with a screw to try to find the hole. Yay! Oh my god, it looks so good! Ah! It looks so good! You would never know the front looked like this if you saw the back. You know what? That says a lot about life. Things are not what they appear, I guess. I am pleasantly surprised. I mean, I'm not surprised. I was hoping it would turn out this way. Okay, had a quick lunch break. I think I'm gonna start with the longer ones just to make sure I don't run out of that length, if that makes sense. So I'm branching off from her instructions at this point. This is just literally a experiment. So I'm just measuring this plus the foot here to see how tall it is to the ground, and then I'm gonna leave some excess, so I plan to just kind of like tuck it under or like tuck it on the floor. See if that looks good. If it doesn't look good, I'll just reach under and staple it up, cut it and staple it up. But hopefully it looks okay because I would like it to go touch the ground. I think that would look really nice. So pray for me once again. So I completely freestyled it. Presentation F-, but hopefully in the front it will look fine. So I'm definitely trying to stay more aware and cautious of where all the hardware is, because last time that was a problem. And on this I ended up actually undoing it and redoing it because I couldn't get the screw to go through. So I found that if there's just one layer of fabric, then it's pretty easy to get the hardware back in. And I was just trying to make sure that I didn't have any staples where the screws need to go. I just kind of wrapped it around and folded it like a present on this side, and then I'm gonna just staple it along this wooden part and then probably just cut it with the box cutter, hopefully neater than right here, by around the wood. So yeah, that is my plan of attack. We'll see how it all looks. Starting the other side, I ended up cutting another piece. Luckily I had enough fabric, because the other side of the last piece was super wrinkled, and I'm just freaking lazy and I would rather have it be straight, and I don't even know where our iron is or anything like that. So I'm all done. Now I'm nervous to see what this looks like, and also nervous to see if I can get all of the hardware back in properly. So let's make sure that I'm not an idiot. It's possible that I am, though. And I also might need to call in Sage for some assistance. I have my lovely assistant here to help me with that here with the bed.
Three hours later.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air the night, and in the way you...
Oh my gosh, guys, I did it. I'm sitting on it. I am shocked, honestly, that I did it, and it really didn't take that long. Like, I think it took maybe like 3 hours. That's not bad at all. Like, the title of the article, like the DIY instructions, was reupholster your bed in an afternoon, and that's literally what I did. Pretty freaking lit. Okay, so my closing remarks. Sage was making fun of me because I was like, I need to film my closing remarks. So overall, it went really well. I love how it looks. Like, already when you walk in the room, the bed just looks so much more expensive, which is what I wanted, but I didn't want to spend the money on it. So I'm really happy with that. The whole bed skirt idea kind of went well. Like, it looks good, but the corners I definitely messed up on. So if you look at the corners closely, or even for more than a second, they look pretty funky. but I don't really care that much, and I'm just kind of draping the my duvet over it so you don't really see it. But they're definitely a little bit funky, so like no one would buy this bed, you know, like it's kind of strange looking when you actually look at it. You look closely, you look at the back, you look underneath, but I don't really mind, and just to have as a bed, and when you walk in the room, and just the overall effect that it gives is really, really nice. So I'm happy with it, and like I said, there wasn't really a, like, worst case, I just had to take it all off, and the bed was already kind of destroyed anyway from blue, so didn't have too much to lose there. But yeah, the tutorial wasn't really, all I really used the tutorial for was to figure out how much fabric to buy. I just, I'll link exactly what I bought down below with the dimensions and everything. That's literally it. Like, I just kind of intuitively did it because her bed frame looked a little bit different, and I just, like with my bed skirt idea, I just kind of had to wing it and hope for the best with all that. And I actually do have like a fair amount of fabric left, so I don't know what I'll do with it. Maybe I'll cover some pillows with it, or actually have a chair upstairs that was in my office that Blue also ruined, so maybe I'll cover that with it. I don't know, I'll use it for something. But overall, it was a very nice, fun way to spend the afternoon, and I'm very, very pleased with the results. So it was a success. I'm very happy, and also I tore this off the wall, but then I realized that I wanted to show you, just to show you how nice this wall color is going to look with the bed, because right now it's not that exciting because the bed and the wall are like basically the same color, but with this wall color it looks really nice. And we're gonna hopefully do the molding this weekend, so hopefully this wall will be painted soon. Okay, so I just crinkled it up, but so hopefully you can see, like, this one is just so, it's so luxe. It's so luxe, darling, so classic. I just love it. So zen. I am so happy with the results. I'll show you guys, I guess, just because I don't mind embarrassing myself. I'll show you how bad this corner looks. Like, it's truly horrible, honestly. So I kind of like, I just tucked this under there, and I'm trying to like just kind of, I don't know. But it really does look bad, so if you decide to attempt to do this, definitely, it's got messed up because of the leg. I didn't really factor that in there when I did it, but when it's draped over with this duvet, it doesn't really matter. Overall, it looks good. So just know, like, I did absolutely mess up on the corners, and if you do it yourself, you're gonna need to, like, do a better job of that, but I'm really happy with it overall. I'll end out the video, but I just wanted to say that I'm really happy, and I'm glad I just finally did it. I didn't need to be so nervous about it. I was gonna mess up regardless. I'm pretty sure that's just what happens when I do projects. But it was still fun, and I'm not a very I'm an Aquarius with a Sagittarius moon and a Virgo rising, so like I want everything to look really nice, but I don't actually like following the exact steps and making it like exactly perfect along the way. So, you know, that's what happens when you do projects with Rohini. They just usually look pretty good, but probably didn't follow the exact steps along the way. Like whenever I put IKEA furniture together, there's always just a pile of screws left over, and I'm like, it's standing. I know, it's annoying. I'm sure some like expert, if there's any expert DIYers watching this, they're like, oh my god, idiot, but whatever. So yeah, it was fun, and if you guys are sick of your current bed, I would definitely recommend checking this out. Just the idea in general is very fun and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was very fun for me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it too, and maybe it inspired you to do some DIY stuff around your house since we're all stuck inside. Might as well make it more beautiful while we're here. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on the gram, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.